Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creating with Love Crafting. This is my son, Dustin.
Hi.
Big dude.
Hi.
I hit the 500 mark and I stayed there for a few days. So guess what we're doing?
The giveaway.
Yep, I said there was going to be a giveaway. Here are the entries. These are all the tickets. Remember, I did a video on that. He's going to fold them up and throw them in the little bucket.
I gotta fold them up.
Yeah, the little bucket's right here. And then while he's doing that, he's going to fold them one by one.
Yeah, I am. I can
You
just do
have?
this.
No, you got to draw them.
I know.
Okay, so this is the giveaway. These are the little princess, Disney little princess keyring figurine. So this is a mystery bag. You can have one of these. That'll be in the package. Then you get tube confetti. Then you'll be getting some Heidi Swap stencils, and here's what they look like on the back. So I'm not going to open these packages. Another package of Heidi Swap stencils.
Did you say Heidi Swap?
I said Heidi.
Heidi.
Don't make fun of her.
I'm not making fun of her.
Then you're going to get some postcards with some cute little kids that are dressed up as fairies. So you get 3 of those, and then you'll get 2 little girls that are, for
Sleeping.
3, sleeping as a fairy.
They look like they sleeping. They tired.
Yep.
They are tired.
Then some old time stickers. They're from Stickeroni, so I never opened them.
Oh, it's good. It's stickeroni.
Then this is everyday stickers. They're puffy stickers from Sticko.
They're Puffle Puffs.
Then Stickabilities.
What? These
Okay.
stickers have some interesting names, guys.
Then from Crafter Square, you get a pack of stamps for the summer because this giveaway was done in the summer. Then you got a paper pad from the Dollar Tree. All these cute little...
The summer of 2021.
Yeah, summer of 2021. Then you got some spaceships and planets and fun stickers there.
I think those would be good to make cards for
Boys?
boys.
Yeah. So you have a little tiny notebook shaped as a heart. That's going to be sent out in the package. And then this package of stickers. So you got a good variety of stuff.
You made the desk make a noise.
And then this pack of stickers, which is 3-tier.
Come on, Gab.
You're shaking the camera.
Gab.
Okay, I'm just showing what you're getting.
You're coming to me,
And
kitty.
then some pineapple rub-ons. Okay? So this is your giveaway. And we're going to, there are all the names in there. We're going to shake them. And my son only needs to grab one of them. And I will be sending that out in the mail today.
Ooh.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
Let's see.
Who you got?
Deborah.
Yay! Deborah Schultz! Yay! See, Deborah, you won. Get your tail out of the way.
Kitty. Here.
Deborah Schultz won. You will be receiving your package in a few days. Hey, everybody. Hope you like this first giveaway I did. There's plenty more. I have a die coming in from AliExpress that will be matching up with Raggedy Ann. We're going to be doing from now on, if my son can help me figure it out, the comment picker. So that's the next giveaway at 7:50. What do we say?
Keep creating with love.
God bless each and every one of you. Bye now.